Welcome to NextGenRobotics.com. Today I will show you mobile control robotics car. This kit I ordered from Amazon. I got 4 wheels, 4 gear motor, wires, Bluetooth module, acrylic sheet, battery holder. I got 4 DC gear 12 volt motor. So as you can see, each motor has 2 terminals. I am applying solder on it so that I can connect wires easily. See this, at one terminal I have connected red wire, other black wire. This one is the second motor. In the same way I have applied some solder on 2 terminals. I am connecting 2 wires. This second motor is ready. Likewise you have to prepare 4 motor wire. Now I am taking one and I am connecting this small acrylic shield to this gear motor. These 2 flattened screw for one motor, I got it from the kit only. So you just have to push this one. You don't need to rotate. You don't need screwdriver right now. Just push the 2 screws. Likewise you prepared 4 motor. This one is the one acrylic sheet, and this one the small module we have connect to the DC gear motor. The other module you have to connect like this. So these 2 screws connect to the standing acrylic module. You have to fix this motor to nuts. It is very easy to assemble because you will get this acrylic tray, transparent tray with the pre-drill hole. So you just have to fix the component at proper place. This one I'll do with the second motor. Likewise you have to connect 4 motor like this. We are using here acrylic tray. This is transparent. It is very much ideal for a robotics project. It has a variable option like in thickness 2 mm, 3 mm, 5 mm, 8 mm. According to your need you have to acquire. For smaller robotics project you can go for 2 mm, 3 mm thickness acrylic sheet. For the stronger and rigid component you should go for 5 mm to 8 mm thickness. This acrylic sheet used for laser cutting also, for protection also. So in this kit I got 2 acrylic big sheet like this. I have the another one, the same pre-drill holes, that I will put it as a cover of motor. See this one is the flattened screws and nuts I got. Now I will put this on the 4 gear motor acrylic sheet. I am placing the flattened screw at proper place so that we can stack this acrylic on the first shield. These two are exactly compatible. You just need to fix the flattened screw. Just place it on this one is gear motor acrylic shield. See like this. Now these small screws are there. Just fix these 2 sheets. As you have observed that we are using here flattened screw. All screws are flattened because on acrylic sheet you cannot use sharpen end screws because your acrylic may crack. It may got crack. So to prevent crack and mounting we have to use flattened screws. See, So like this, just tighten the screws. Now this one is the wheel. One wheel will connect to one motor. We got 4 wheel will go to 4 motor respectively. You just need to press to the white knob. See, 4 motor, 4 wheel connection is done. This one is Arduino Uno, and this one is motor shield, L293D motor shield. These are pin to pin compatible. You just have to stack L293 on Arduino. Now we'll put this on the center of the acrylic. I'm using here double-sided tape and we'll fix on the center of acrylic. Now we'll connect the 8 wires of 4 motor, 2 wires for each motor, 8 wires for 4 motor. Here we'll connect M1 motor connection. See, 2 wires for a motor 1. Beside it I am connecting other 2 wires for motor 2. This one I am connecting for the second motor, like this. Connector is there, you just need to place the wire inside it and tighten the screw. Other side I am connecting third motor to the connector. Doing the connection for third motor. This is the gear motor, 12 volt Johnson high torque model. It is very much essential, this motor, for robotics. It is typically operated via 6 volt to 12 volt and provide enough strength for long lasting project like robotics automation. Very much precise. So these 4 motor connection are done. This one is Bluetooth module HC05. We have 6 pin over here, but we are using 4 pins only. So I am taking 4 wires. One is for VCC, one is for ground, one is for TX, and the other is for RX. So friends, we are not using state and enable pin over here. We are using the 4 pin, center 4 pin, VCC, ground, TX, RX. Now we'll connect VCC to motor shield HC05 module operated on 5 volt VCC. I'm connecting the ground pin. Now RX of Bluetooth module will connect to the Arduino TX, and TX of Bluetooth module will connect to RX of Arduino. Now I will put double-sided tape on the back of the HC05 and will place properly on the transparent acrylic shield like this. This one is the battery, lithium ion battery, and I have soldered switch over here so that you can manually switch on and switch off the hardware. Whenever it is not in use, then you can switch off the hardware, so your battery will not dry. Using double-sided tape, I have placed battery on the acrylic shield. Now I am connecting this battery to motor shield power. Arduino and motor shield are pin to pin compatible. So I am giving input to motor shield through battery. It will goes to Arduino also. It is all pin to pin compatible. So this is how I make the hardware. Now I'll go for programming. So for program, you have to disconnect the battery connection because I will connect through USB. So this board will get supply from the USB. So I'm opening the software. This one is the Arduino open software, and this one is my code. So first we'll compile this code and then we'll upload. See, the compiling is done. Now we'll upload. So if you need help with the software or any help with the hardware, you can send me message or you can comment me. I'll send you the code. Now I'm disconnecting the USB and giving the supply to battery. Now I'll switch on the hardware. See, the HC05 light on the hardware is glowing, blinking. Arduino light also blinking. So board is perfectly assembled. And on mobile I have installed Bluetooth RC car app, which you will get easily from Google Store. Now I will connect HC05 of our robotics hardware to mobile. See, this left top corner, it is showing, it is blinking left red light. So for connecting HC05 I have given 1234 password. I am pressing forward, backward, left, right. See how perfectly it is working. So friends, this is the Bluetooth control robotics car through mobile. This one is, I'm done with the assembly. See how it is working. So if you need any help with this project, you can ping me, you can send comment. I'll try to help you with all your queries. So please do like, follow and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you friends. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.